Welcome student for today's lecture. So student, today we are going to see that is how the DNA packing takes place in the prokaryotic cell. So here the prokaryotic cell, that is there are the examples of the prokaryotic cell, that is for example bacteria, or the blue green algae. These are the example of the prokaryotic cell. So how the packing of the DNA takes place in the prokaryotic cell. So first upon see that is how the DNA in the prokaryotic cell. So if we see that is the structure of the prokaryotic cell. So in the prokaryotic cell, see here, that is the DNA, it is in the circular DNA and it is known as the nucleoid. It is known as the nucleoid. So the circular DNA is known as the nucleoid. If we see the size of the E. coli cell or the bacterial cell, that is the length of this bacterial cell, it is of the 2 to 3 micron, that is the length. And if we see the diameter, it is of the 0.5 micron, that is the diameter of the E. coli cell or the bacterial cell. So here the DNA, that is in this bacterial cell, it is in the circular form. So how the DNA is, it is the circular DNA, and the circular DNA, it is known as the nucleoid. या circular DNA लाच काय म्हटलं जातं, nucleoid. So nucleoid, that is a nucleic means the nucleus, oid means here the like, that is it is look like that of the nucleus, but it is the naked DNA and it is the circular DNA. So see that is here the in this DNA, that is in the prokaryotic cell, if we see how the packing of the DNA takes place. So here it is the highly folded circular DNA. So if we see the structure of this DNA, it is mainly like this. So it is the highly folded structure of the DNA. Highly folded structure of the this DNA is, and this DNA, that is if we see, that is the perimeter. So this perimeter of the DNA, it is 1100 micron. The perimeter of DNA is the 1100 micron, and see that is here this it mainly made up of how many base pair or the nucleotide pair, that is this DNA, circular DNA, that is known as the nucleoid, it is made up of the 4 to 6 million base pair, that is the nucleotide pair or the base pair. So if we cut this circular DNA and it is stretched, म्हणजे जर आपण तो कट केला आणि जर स्ट्रेच केला तर आपल्या असं लक्षात येईल की दॅट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस DNA, if we cut and the stretch, so like this. So here this DNA, that is this length of this double stranded DNA, it is of the 1.1 millimeter mm. So here this stretched DNA, that is 1.1 millimeter DNA, it is accommodate, that is in the form of the circular DNA, and this circular DNA, that is it is known as the nucleoid. It is known as the nucleoid. So how the DNA, it mainly gets, that is the accommodate into the cell. So see that is here, if we see the DNA which is in the circular form of the DNA, that is if it is without folding. So see that is here how the it is without folding, that is like this. It is the circular DNA which is the without folding. This without folding a DNA, it mainly shows the diameter, that is here the diameter of this DNA, it is of the 350 micron. म्हणजे सर्क्युलर डी एन ए हा फोल्ड होण्या अगोदर त्याचं जर डायमीटर पाहिली तर ते किती आहे, इट इज द 350 मायक्रॉन. सो हियर द दिस इज द अनफोल्डेड डी एन ए, दॅट इज विदाउट फोल्डिंग. ओके, इट इज द अनफोल्डेड डी एन ए. आता हे फोल्डिंग कसं होतं किंवा तो पॅक कसा होतो बघूयात आपण. सो दॅट इज सम प्रोटीन्स अँड द एन्झाईम्स दीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल for the packing of this DNA. So how it gets packed, that is some proteins, that is the DNA binding protein, that is the non-histone protein, it gets attached to this circular form of the DNA. So see, that is here like this. So some non-histone proteins, these non-histone proteins gets attached to this DNA, and these proteins, these are mainly responsible, that is for the folding of the DNA. So what happens, that is these proteins they push the DNA molecule, that is to the inner side like this at the center. These proteins which are attached to the DNA molecule, that is which is the unfolded DNA molecule, they push the DNA towards the center, and in this way there is the formation of the folds, or it is, these are known as the loops or the domains. So see, that is here how the folds are produced. So see here like this. These are the folds which are produced. Okay, and where the proteins are, there are the proteins. These are the proteins. So see, that is these proteins which mainly push the DNA, and here the proteins are situated at this position like this. Okay, so how many folds are produced there? There are the formation of 40 to 50 folds. 40 to 50 folds are produced. These folds, these are also known as the domains. These folds are also known as the domains or the loops. Loops. Then here each loop, these are bind by the RNA. That is, see here, these loops, these are bind by the RNA. So it is binds by the RNA connector. These are bind by the RNA connector. So see here the folds or the domains, these are mainly produced due to the proteins and due to presence of some enzymes. Here the loops or the foldings are produced. Okay, म्हणजे इथं बघा जो लूप तयार होईल त्या लूपच्या सेंटर आतमध्ये काय असेल, इथं प्रोटीन असेल, आणि प्रत्येक लूप जॉईन करण्याचं काम कोण करेल, द RNA कनेक्टर विच मेनली बाइंड्स द प्रोटीन सॉरी लूप्स. Then here the DNA binding proteins which are mainly present. So see here, these are the DNA binding proteins. These are the DNA binding proteins. So see, that is here the RNA and the DNA binding proteins, these are mainly responsible to produce the loops. Then what happens, that is the diameter of the DNA, that is which is the unfolded DNA, it is of the 350 micron. And then here the diameter it get reduced and it is of the 30 micron. So here the diameter of the DNA, so here this diameter it get reduced, it is of up to the 30 micron. म्हणजे diameter DNA ची काय होईल इथं reduce होईल. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट दॅट इज हिअर द इच फोल्ड. आता इथं किती फोल्ड्स तयार झाले 40 to 50 फोल्ड्स किंवा लूप्स किंवा डोमेन्स म्हणतो त्याला आपण. आता इथं काय होतं पुन्हा प्रत्येक लूप जो आहे तो पुन्हा काय काय तयार करेल सुपर कॉइल्स. Okay, so each fold which produce the super coils. So how the fold produce the super coils? So see, that is each fold which develops the super coils, and then see, that is here next here. So see, that is here. So see here it is the one loop. Okay, so here each loop which develops the super coils like this. Then another loop which develops the super coils. In this way here, then again the diameter of the DNA it gets reduced. So in this way here each loop or the domain it produce the super coils. Produce the super coils, and these super coils these are mainly produced, that is due to the presence of the histone units, that is the histone units which are mainly the histone like proteins, which are mainly the histone like proteins. So these histone units which are mainly the histone like proteins, and these are mainly responsible, that is for the formation of the supercoil. So here the supercoils, that is these are mainly produced, that is due to the histone units, and here the DNA it get reduced its size due to the presence of the DNA gyrase and the DNA topoisomerase. First, that is there are the two enzymes, when one is the DNA gyrase and another is the DNA topoisomerase. These are the two enzymes, DNA gyrase and the DNA topoisomerase first. DNA topoisomerase first. These two enzymes, these are mainly responsible to reduce the size of the DNA. ओके, म्हणजे इथं सुपर कॉइल्स जे तयार होतील, हे सुपर कॉइल्स कशामुळं तयार होतील, ड्यू टू द हिस्टोन युनिट्स. आता म्हणजे सुपर कॉइल्स कशामुळं तयार झाले, दॅट इज देर इज द कॉइलिंग ऑफ द DNA अराउंड द हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स. आणि हे सुपर कॉइल्स जे तयार होतील, सो हाऊ मेनी सुपर कॉइल्स आर प्रोड्यूस, दॅट इज देर आर द 12 to 82 सुपर कॉइल्स आर प्रोड्यूस. म्हणजे बघा इथं लूप तयार झाला, हा लूप पुन्हा काय होईल, इथं सुपर कॉइलिंग होईल. सो हिअर देर आर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सुपर कॉइल्स, अँड हाऊ मेनी सुपर कॉइल्स आर प्रोड्यूस, देर आर द 12 to 82 सुपर कॉइल्स आर प्रोड्यूस ॲट द ईच फोल्ड ऑर इट ॲट द ईच डोमेन. म्हणजे प्रत्येक डोमेनवरती किंवा प्रत्येक फोल्डवरती जवळजवळ 12 ते 82 एवढे सुपर कॉइल्स हे तयार होतील. सो सी, दॅट इज हिअर these loops, these are mainly converts into the super coils, and it is due to the histone units which are the positively charged. म्हणजे हे हिस्टोन युनिट्स जे आहेत, हे हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स, these are the positively charged and the DNA is the negatively charged. So here the DNA it gets coil around these histone units and there are the formation of the super coils. So here the diameter of the DNA it mainly reduced up to the 2 micron. म्हणजे बघा इथं डायमीटर किती आहे 350 मायक्रॉन. त्यानंतर पुन्हा फोल्ड्स तयार झाले किंवा आपण याला लूप्स म्हणतो, हे थर्ड जेव्हा तयार झाले तेव्हा DNA ची डायमीटर अजून रेड्यूस झाली, अजून कमी झाली. इट इज अप टू द 30 मायक्रॉन एवढी डायमीटर त्याची रिड्यूस झाली, DNA ची साईज कमी झाली. इथे पुन्हा DNA पुन्हा काय झालं, सुपर कॉइलिंग, प्रत्येक फोल्ड किंवा प्रत्येक डोमेन जो आहे किंवा यालाच आपण लूप म्हणतो, प्रत्येक लूप सुपर कॉईल झाला आणि त्याची डायमीटर पुन्हा रेड्यूस झाली. सो हिअर द डायमीटर इट इज रेड्यूस्ड अप टू द 2 मायक्रॉन. म्हणजे इथं डायमीटर ही पुन्हा काय झाली, इथं DNA ची रेड्यूस झालेली आहे. सो सी दॅट इज हिअर द फर्स्ट दॅट इज द अनफोल्डेड DNA, दॅट इज द विदाउट फोल्डिंग DNA. डायमीटर इज द 350 म्हणजे 350 मायक्रॉन ही याची पहिली विदाउट फोल्डिंगची डायमीटर असेल. त्यानंतर ही रेड्यूस झाल्यानंतर किती झाली, देर इज ऑफ द 30 मायक्रॉन आणि पुन्हा रेड्यूस झाल्यानंतर अप टू द 2 मायक्रॉन एवढा DNA हा रेड्यूस होईल. अँड दिस रेड्यूस्ड DNA दॅट इज द known as the nucleoid or the supercoiled DNA. It is the nucleoid and this DNA it is accommodate into the smaller cell. So see that is here, if we see that is the folding of the DNA and these folds, these are joined by the RNA connector. So what are the backbones of the DNA folding? So see that is here the backbone, these are responsible for the DNA folding. So which are the backbones, that is the RNA connector. So it is the RNA connector and the DNA binding protein. These are the backbones of the DNA पॅकिंग. म्हणजे DNA पॅकिंग होण्यासाठी किंवा प्रोकॅरियोटिक DNA पॅक झाल्यानंतर त्याचा बॅकबोन हा काय आहे, तर RNA कनेक्टर आणि DNA बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन, की ज्याच्यामुळं DNA हा जनरली काय म्हणू आपण तर सर्क्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये आपल्याला दिसेल. ओके, सो हिअर द बॅकबोन ऑफ द prokaryotic DNA, these are the DNA binding protein and the RNA connector. Okay, so student, it is about the DNA packing in the prokaryotes. म्हणजे प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेलमध्ये जर पाहिलं आपण तर या पद्धतीनं हे DNA पॅकिंग होतं. ओके स्टुडंट, सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हिअर.
The circular chromosomal DNA of bacteria must be compacted about 1,000-fold to fit within a bacterial cell. Part of this compaction comes through the formation of loop domains, where segments of DNA are folded into loop-like structures that are held in place by DNA-binding proteins. The formation of loop domains compacts the DNA about 10-fold. Further compaction is accomplished through a process known as supercoiling. In this process, which is under the control of the enzymes DNA gyrase and topoisomerase I, twists are introduced in the DNA molecule that cause it to compact by coiling onto itself. This is much like the process of coiling that you can observe by twisting a rubber band. DNA looping and supercoiling make the bacterial chromosome more compact so that it can fit within the nucleoid of the bacterial cell.